What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with American 4WD. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today is day 3 on the XJ stuff. So we got Will here. Say hi, Will.
What's up?
So I got the motor completely back together, freshened her up. All new head gasket, head bolts, freeze plugs, gaskets, rear mains, whole 9 yards. She is looking fantastic. We also have a new flywheel just because we had one laying around. But we got the engine all squared away, and she is looking all sorts of hot. So if it explodes, I blame Will.
I blame Matt.
I know. So, we got the old motor right here out of the blue XJ. So now we're about to stick the really nice motor. That came out so nice. Anyways, we're about to stick that guy back in y'all and get this guy running. We've got the axles finally out of our parts Jeep. We got our high pinion Dana 30 out, and I brushed it, painted it, made it look all nice. We're gonna put some new upper bushings in because they were trashed. Ball joints are fairly new, so we're gonna take the diff cover. We're gonna take, this is another Dana 30 we have, but it's a low pinion, so we're gonna take the cover, the steering, the axle shafts, pretty much everything off of that one and put it on that one. So it'll make that thing pretty nice. We got the rear axle. I got it all brushed and painted. It was a little rusty, but not too bad. I think it came out really nice. So we're just gonna get this guy ready to go in, get that new diff cover on, and sink it in, put some new wheel cylinders in there, because God only knows when they've been changed. We've got all the other parts that we're using. We got that sprayed off, cleaned up, everything else. So now it is a disaster in here. So now we're gonna try to get that engine in there, get that guy and this guy over here, little work area, and then clean up all this crap and get this body out of here. Guys, if you want this body, I'm literally gonna put it on those rollers. They carry like 1,000 pounds a piece. I'm gonna put that body on 4 rollers and then just roll it out. So if you want this body, rock and roll, I don't know, 150 bucks, 200 bucks, rock and roll, it's yours. So I'm just gonna push it out right out there. So yeah, also, I mean, if you want any of these old parts, I have no use for them. I mean, besides just keeping them as spares. So, you know, if you need anything, just let me know, and we'll get it back to you. But yeah, everything's going good. Oh, parts came in. So I'm gonna show everybody parts. So this entire, besides those icon boxes, besides the icon boxes, pretty much everything right here is going on. So it's like the rough country catalog been thrown at it. We got a lot of stuff done Saturday. We got the new shocks on there. We got new sway bar links. We got new adjustable. We got the track bar on. We got the front bumper off. We've got the rear shocks on. So we still got to take the leaves off, but pretty much she's slowly but surely coming together. She's gonna be really nice. But I'm so happy how this motor turned out, and it looks so good. What do you think? Does it look good?
Looks very nice. Yeah. Very pretty.
Yes. So it's amazing what a wire wheel and just a little bit of freshening up will do. But yeah, we'll get this guy up on y'all and be good to go.